welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to need 3 A4 sheet papers in rectangular shape and scissors. We'll also need tissue paper, which I'll later on show you. I'm starting on with my first paper. So I have to make a square out of this. As you will know, maybe some people might not know, so I'm just telling that you just make a triangular shape across the page, then you cut this extra rectangle out. Do the same process with the other 2 papers. So now I'm done. We'll keep 2 of them aside. Let's start with the first one. First we're gonna fold this into half. Again, fold it into half. Open it. Fold the edges on both the sides. Now we've got like this. Take the one edge out from both the sides. Open it. Do the other way. So this is how it's gonna look. You just open it up, fix the edges properly, and there you've got a piece just like this. Make the same thing with the other 2 papers. Now I've got 3 pieces. On your 3rd piece, on this part, just draw a little rectangle. You did that, you have to cut down this rectangle piece. So now I cut it the between part. First we're gonna connect these 2, and like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Now it's done. All you do, you put this in the middle and just push it inside the box. Now, just to edit a bit, I'm gonna add 2 cute eyes and a little smiley face. Now it's done. Now, how to add the tissue? So that may be your one question. So first you'll need some tissue. So now we have 1 tissue. We're just gonna roll it. So we're gonna start rolling it. Rolling. Now we're just gonna cut like this much of it. So about like how much can come through. So now we've got a mini roll of paper. We're gonna take out the top part. Push the mini little paper through. Leave the roll in. Push it in back. And it's done. You've got your own little cute mini tissue box. This is really easy. If you would like to have a recycle source using this, it's alright, because recycling is also. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hope you enjoy this video on this tissue box. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get more updates.